can still disappear pretty much anything in Baghdad.
Sure.
This Brooks kid is something else. Too smart for his own good, sadly. Problem, Jane?
No. No problem.
Good. I've just contacted Cassim.
Kassim's still in the rock.
Oh, yes. He's tracking Brooks' mistake.
Andrew.
What's up, you guys? It's Moola. I'm back again. I'm back. I'm just gonna chill while I hold this straight, you know. It's been playing around, but hopefully we hit our city there. You know. Let's keep it moving, guys. Yeah, man, I'm fucking bored, eh? I've been holding this trade for a couple of hours there. You know, all I do is trade, nothing much.
There you are.
Look, I need you to talk to Andrea Lavin.
What do I say to her when she asks for the baby?
I don't know. Tell her you have important information and you gotta see her as soon as possible. We need access to that site. That's why we're here, isn't it?
Now, what we're looking for now, guys, is exactly so don't break above that high, so that we're gonna create a higher high. You know, that's gonna give me confidence. If it is, it closes above here on the hourly chart frame, then it's kind of giving me a signal that we are done pulling back, you know, because I think we're just resisting the structure that we broke above. That's why we took the signal. So we had a breakout, a retest. Now we're hoping for a continuation to the upside. That's all we're looking for. So we're just gonna hold the trade. Yeah. I'll probably be trading this offline, but I just wanna record the trade for today. The only problem is that we don't have much traders in the chat today, but just gonna keep it pushing anyway.
Yes, I know what that is. Okay, see you then.
Is he okay?
Robert's PhD student. He's here, my dad. After seeing him.
Sure.
What's going on there?
The gas explosion. There were a number of casualties.
How many?
5 dead. Others
Nothing's ever too clean, is it? There's always a cost.
Let's go, Cole. Let's go. I wanna get paid. Oh man. Man, this trading shit is boring. I ain't even gonna lie, man. As soon as I get a payout, I gotta invest this money on something else, like some fun projects that I'm gonna be doing while the trades are running. I don't know, I'm thinking in a few months coming, we're gonna be having a 24/7 live stream.
Years.
But I'm still back testing some of the pairs that I'm gonna feature
Watching you.
because you're not gonna be trading gold 24/7. But it's like it's just a future plan for now. Just hit that sub button, make sure that you get the notification every time I'm trading live because I go live every day. So that's what's up, guys. That's what's up.
On the day he died, it wasn't real.
Let's keep it pushing, keep it pushing.
The message was faked. And by who? It's not exactly clear at this point.
I'm tempted to also feature my personal account. I'm still thinking about it because, as you know, this is a prop firm. It's a prop firm account from instant funding. It's a 10K. You can see I'm down a couple of bucks. We had a bad week. Last week was an NFP week, but like losses are part of the game, nothing much.
You see, when I heard suicide, I didn't believe it. I knew it wasn't Robert. I knew. I told you something wasn't right. Remember? I've been so angry with him. Angry with him for leaving. For being such a coward. And now you need my help. Now. After spying on you for years. Violating my privacy. Well, no. It doesn't work like that.
I know that this is a shock.
Shock. I've known you for 10 minutes, anyway.
All we need is access to the site so we can start to figure out why.
Don't.
Like I said, guys, it's 1 o'clock now where I'm from. We did kind of retest that area that we broke above. Now I want to see a clean push and we close above that resistance there, you know, and then we create a higher high. That's gonna give me much confidence that our setup is validated.
This has to end. Trying to say goodbye was not easy. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry that I couldn't give you more. It's totally empty. There's never anything that you did. This has to end. I'm trying to say goodbye, but it's not easy. I'm so sorry.
Why'd you really come find me?
The truth?
Yeah, we're pushing, guys. As you can see, I see the momentum. Gold is starting to go back upside. Hopefully we hit TP within an hour or in the next few hours. I don't know. But we're just gonna set and forget, keep on holding and let it play. You know, trust our setup and follow our rules. That's all we need to do, guys. That's all we need to do. As you know, if you are a trader, you gotta be able to maintain discipline. You gotta be able to maintain discipline, guys, and make sure that you trade your trading plan perfectly. Whether you take losses or make profits, it's gotta be in your trading plan, and make sure that you respect your rules. Because it's better to lose money while following your trading rules other than to make profits while breaking them, because there's gonna be a habit that's gonna destroy your account and your trading journey in the long run. You gotta train your mind to stick to the rules, stick to the setup, and make sure that you are patient with this shit, guys. I know it's boring, but it's part of it's part of the game. It's how it's done. Most profitable traders need to go through this shit. There's always gonna be lower levels and all this shit. The market is not always gonna reward you for your patience, but as long as you apply it in the long run, the profits and the numbers are gonna speak for themselves. You know, you just gotta keep pushing, man. As you can see, I'm a small channel and I'm trying to like inspire anybody out there that's on their beginner phase, or people that don't have profitable strategies can hop on my trade and trade with me. So if you're one of those people, make sure you hit the sub button so that you can trade live every day. I show my trades, profits and losses. I don't hide anything. I'm documenting my journey and I'm here with you all, guys. Hopefully we prosper. But I know we're gonna prosper. I trust my strategy. So the only thing that I gotta do, I just gotta wake up every day and apply the same consistency and discipline. And anything else, man, is not in my control. All I have to do is make sure that I'm taking setups that are within my trading plan, and I'm respecting my trading plan. I'm reserving my account to trade another day, you know. But we're gonna keep pushing, guys. We're gonna keep pushing. I'm here. I'm not going anywhere. It's gonna be a slow and a long journey, but this is what I need to go through to reach the success level. I know it's a lonely road, but I'm willing to take the risk and I'm willing to apply proper discipline. Because, especially for me, man, there's nothing else I'd rather do. The only thing I'm passionate about is discharge, man. The only thing I'm passionate about is trading. So I gotta apply that discipline, make sure that I stay in my lane and just focus on my journey. I do hop on YouTube and see some people, making big profits, but I just use that as inspiration. I understand that I'm at a level where I'm at, and we're gonna grow eventually if we apply that discipline and trade the right way, the boring way. Everything is gonna be okay. So, I wish I started these dives like on December. Yeah, we had the crazy blue weeks after week after week. As you know, it's still the beginning of the year, so I'm hoping we continue with that momentum and just keep winning. You know. So yeah, guys.
We should talk about yesterday.
I'm sorry.
Walk with me, will you? I listened to the message again.
Okay.
I couldn't hear anything unusual. Your friend, are we live on this?
Everything she's told me is pretty true. And she ends up also being inside protecting us.
Yeah, man, we're still playing around, but we're holding. We're holding. Apply that patience.
Who's with him?
You know,
Seen one
maybe
more.
the momentum is gonna come at the New York session. As you know, we mostly enter around the London session, and most of the time it's the New York session that kinda gives us that momentum to hit CP.
Dinner
But
at your house.
sometimes it can happen a London session, like
I think
15
Roy's
minutes in and out, you're done. So it's not always the same setups, and
Nobody
it
is.
depends on like what's going on
Target locked. Yes.
with the markets and financial markets overall. So the only thing I have to do is to apply patience. That's the only thing I can do. We already did our job. We entered the setup.
And when he was trying to get me to
Now it's just a matter of holding
he was trying to protect me. He knew more people
and
coming on than the answer might be in the chamber.
observe. That's all. I don't really trade for the outcome. Yes, I do want to see the blue screen. I do want to get the profits, but the main goal is not always like the outcome. I don't care if I win or lose. I'm just having fun, enjoying taking parts in the markets and collecting data on my strategy. And I know if I just keep it as simple as that, I'm not gonna be emotional about it, and it's gonna be easy for me to follow my trading plan. So I'm just happy to be in the markets, man. Take the setup. The outcome is not in my control. The market is gonna tell me whether it's paying me or not, but I'm not really super focused on all that. Nah, I just take my setups every day and make sure that I respect my rules and I stick to my trading plan. Anything else, man, it's just, I don't know. It don't make sense for me, man. I've been trading for a while and I've learned that boring trading is the best. You know, I take minimum risk and I make profits daily. You know, small increments builds up to something bigger in the long run. So, uh, but now we are at our humble beginnings, man. And hopefully in a year or so, I'm gonna be looking back and be like, yo, I've come this far. That's why I'm documenting my trading. I'm trading live with everybody. So everyone can see that it's possible. You can grow, you can start from nothing and actually grow your accounts to something big and be a profitable trader without having VIPs and all that, you know. So yeah.
Let's go. You okay? Wait.
Here guys, when I keep applying the patience, simple risk management plan, stick to our trading plan, gold is gonna pay us guys. I've been trading this for a year. I know I got an insane winning rate, so just gotta take minimum risk so that we can weather the storms and see the blue days. I am pretty sure, man. We're gonna eat. I'm pretty sure we're all gonna eat. It's just a matter of time, man. That's what make, makes or breaks a trader is time. Whether or not you have enough patience to live to trade another day. You know, most traders they get bored. They keep on adding lot sizes and all that, and the next thing you see, you blow your account, and then the market is continuing going through your direction. But because you overreached your account, you're no longer part of the fun, you know. So that's why I keep my risk management as low as possible, man. So that
He's still in this place.
I can protect my capital
Why are they out there for born?
and make sure it pays me. I'm not looking for like
My studies.
too much gains and much and all that. I'm just looking for whatever the setup is willing to pay me. You know, not gonna force any trades or over risk my account. When I enter a setup and my setup is saying I'm gonna get $100, it's fine. And the next day, if it says I'm gonna get $20, it's fine. So compound interest is gonna work in my best interest, you know. Because the bigger your risk is, as fast as you're gonna lose the account. So I'd rather go slow and steady than blow fast. No, I don't have any plan B. No plan B. It's only trading, man. There's no plan B. You gotta make this shit work. That's why I'm taking your guys on this journey with me. We gotta make this shit work, man. If you hit the subscribe button, you're gonna hop on my trading live every day. You're gonna see what I'm trading, and you're gonna trade live with me, and you're gonna make money together for sure.
No one's ever been able to translate them, but
There's no doubt, man. I'm confident about it.
understanding
It's just that it's gonna be a long journey. So as long as we apply that patience and discipline, everything is gonna be okay. Anything else doesn't matter, man. I really don't. So let's go, guys. Let's go. You can see the market is playing around. Right now, we are kind of creating a channel. And as you know, I'm not a big analyzer, but like, I just trade simple supports and resistance. I don't like to complicate my trading. Simple supports and resistance. If I break below, I'm going for sales. I break above, I'm going for buys. As you can see on this setup, I broke above here. I broke above this level. I went for my buys. Simple as that. No complications. That's all I'm looking for. Every day I hop on a chart during London session. I start trading London session. When I open the charts, the only thing I'm looking for is for the break of support or the break of resistance. If I break above, I'm going for buys. I break below, I'm going for sales. No complications. That's what kind of changed my trading journey. It made me profitable when I started sticking to one strategy and making sure that I rinse and repeat every day. You know, you gotta keep it as simple as possible, man. When you're trading, you gotta make sure that you keep your trading plan as simple as possible. Don't overcomplicate things. Stick to your risk. Make sure that your capital is protected and you trade the right way. Trust me, you're gonna build the best life that you want at the comfort of your own home. That's what I like about trading. There's no limit to this shit. But that can also be a downfall. If you focus more on the money, you're gonna be greedy. Me, I like to focus more on the setups. My satisfaction comes from me just looking at my setups and figuring out, okay, I'm winning. These my setups, I'm losing. These my setups. So if I maintain a risk like this in a certain kind of period, I'm gonna make this amount of percentage. I'm not chasing money. I'm just chasing setups. I'm chasing my setups and make sure that I trade properly and I apply risk management. As much as it's boring, it's how a nigga gonna get paid, man. You gotta do what I gotta do, man. Gotta do what I gotta do. I ain't got no other choice, man. It's trading or nothing. I'm just gonna remain quiet for now. Welcome for those answering the chat. This is Moola. I'm trading gold live every day. Make sure you hit the subscribe button so that you're gonna get notifications every time I'm going live. Thank you guys. If you have any questions or any comment, you wanna know anything, make sure to hit me in the chat. Leave a comment there, like. Make sure you ask if you wanna know anything. I'm on a gold trade as you can see. I'm holding, it's been playing around. But yeah, we're just gonna wait until the market decides to either pay us or take from us, and then we're maybe gonna change direction and go for recovery. As just what the strategy requires. So for now, I'm just gonna go quiet and yeah. Let's see what this trade has for us, guys. Let's see what this trade has for us. Those that are not in a trade, we can still happen. It can still happen. As you can see, we are still close to entry. We are going for a 4609 CP. We got our stop losses below our support there. We took the entry because we broke above the resistance. Simple as that, guys. No complications. Simple as that. Let's go.
Can I come in? Listen to this. In my opinion, the gas explosion theory does not fit the facts of the ground. The chamber seems to have been revealed by the use of a carefully positioned explosive charge. And he said he gave this to my friend, and that's nonsense.
So who else have you told?
No one can instruct you. This is
first, for your own safety, tell me.
Welcome to the chat, guys. Welcome to the chat. We chat live here every day. Welcome to the chat. We are trading gold right now.
No, I just keep thinking, whoever coached Lamb.
We're about to enter the New York session in about an hour or so. We're gonna see what the market has for us today.
We'll figure it out.
And yeah, man. Yeah. It is what it is.
What are you surfing for? You're looking at the damage from the explosion. Why?
I'll tell you later.
And yeah, we need to figure out this missing piece.
There's some evidence French archaeologists were here back in the 17th century. They kept excellent records. Okay. I think those amplifiers. Can you throw the light on? Before photography, before scanners, if you wanted to make a record of something like this, you either had an artist make a copy of it, or you made an impression, like a brass rod. So you press that paper onto the stone, then peel it off very, very carefully. The French call it estampage.
Then what happens?
Well, like most things from the past, it disappears. But if they survive, they get collected in museums. Berlin has a very big collection. Athens too. Maybe they did this before it became eroded. It's worth a shot.
Okay. So? How's it done? We're not there yet. There's a missing section. Where is the defense there? I'm sure. And the French call it really any early archaeologists.
We better be getting back there. Good night. I think we shouldn't talk to other people about what we found. That's it, isn't it? It's an Orléans in France, part of the SN collection, housed in the university's archive.
Does it show anything using the picture?
They only show the upper half of the panel, sorry. It is the same panel, I'm sure of it. It has the same spiral pattern you look at.
No, it doesn't. That's
You go to Orléans.
You found it. Missing piece from the chamber. It's in Orléans.
Great.
When do we go?
Just something news outwards. Okay.
What's wrong?
Well, yesterday at the marketplace. I think that's what we're trying to kill you.
Kill him.
Yeah, kill yourself before you do that. Stop. His name is Bogdan Vlahovic.
Stuff from the table.
Exactly. He's an ex-mercenary soldier and a gun for hire. You name it.
What are you saying?
Sorry, I'm saying people are paying attention to you and to everything that you're doing. Some people want you dead and other people want you alive. Okay, and somebody, presumably one of the above, blew up a street.
Evening sign.
Yes.
Do you know this for how long?
Which part?
I'm going to take the page.
There's so much going on. I'm trying to understand it myself.
Okay, but who actually are these people? Kaplan? Is it cousins of Kaplan? Who? Who's trying to kill them?
Please be quiet. I need as many options. I say when we catch a flight to Paris, we try to get to all the y'all trying to look at this missing piece and free the life. And in that, we have control. Something we bargain with. And look, Andrea, I don't think it's safe for you to stay here.
I can't leave. Not before the chamber has been documented.
I don't think you understand.
I do. Thank you, but I won't stay.
Take this.
All expectations are please find out and kill Robert. Be careful.
Check your box.
What am I looking at?
I'm going to get that. You can.
When you get to the airport, go directly to check-in. There are two people here, mate. I'm going to get you in. Let's just get you home, okay? Taylor, what's wrong?
Did you get him?
What? Denis,
Au téléphone, toi.
on dit oui, un peu trop vite.
Tu dis toujours que de la merde. Tu as pourrais parler de ta petite cousin.
Ah ouais. Et si moi je vous partais pour être mon pote, hein, tu dirais quoi? Hein? Hé, viens le dire. Vas-y, dépêche-toi. Vas-y, sur la route. Regarde. Bonus. Non, c'est bien.
It's going to take us 2 hours to get to Corbin. Most of the station is swarmed with surveillance. You just have to stay off radar.
We've been away for long time die. That was it.
Comedy equals tragedy plus time. It's math. Just work it out.
Oh, what's up? Welcome, guys. Welcome.
What's going on? They landed. Just had hell of customs. Grayson, Taylor Sanders, track the phone. Just protecting important asset. Yeah. Phone's on. No, she's here. She's in Paris. Okay, this is 2.2 billion people. Should narrow that down. Fast. Protecting asset. Dog, your phone on. Your dog.
information is non-public displayed by appointment only and requires a letter from an academic institution. Are you a historian?
Mathematician.
Oh,
Please, we've come a very, very long way.
yeah, I'm sorry. She writes just now. Do you want to come to the Sorry. Sorry.
I'm sure this is very short notice, and I think you want to get home to your
Account.
This is very important for my doctorate. Those tablets were inspired in the 9th century. The archaeologists leaving impressions of those tablets in the 17th century. Look at it this way, you could be the last link in a chain that stretches back over 1,000 years.
Minister, I can.
How many of these do you have?
12 indicate.
It's a very specific piece of the puzzle. This system inspired against the book. Could you open these up?
Please. Ask me exactly the question. No problem. It's just very casual.
No, it's not again. Could you get the big one?
Oh, we have to close it.
Okay, we're not going to be very long.
Please, I finish your doing this. But I'll be here again tomorrow. Sure. Tomorrow. Tomorrow. Thank you.
And the thread is playing around. Anyway, welcome to the chat, guys. Welcome to MoolaMachinefx. I trade live every day, as you all can see. So if you all like what's happening, subscribe so that you can get notifications. Yeah, man, it's a slow Monday.
Good to know. Perfect.
Slow Monday.
Seriously, you got
It's cool. Geeks can be cool. Not into.
It's nice.
Shouldn't.
No, I don't think so. The guy who died, if I was his brother or whatever, I would want your lives to be over too.
What if I told you I was drunk and persuaded him to get on the back of my bike and proceeded to blow a red light? Then what? He died because I was careless and stupid. Because I didn't take care of him. I should be in prison. Couldn't even see the inside of a courtroom.
Thanks to Jane.
And if that doesn't help with the guilt. You know, I still think about him every night. And I think about his family. The fact that no one paid for his death.
Maybe she left you no choice.
No, I had a choice. We all have choices. What I've learned is that it's the ones we make that define us. Alright. Let's get some rest.
Got him. His phone 2 hours away. Go get him.
Don't you know where we are?
Not sure yet.
You have a lock on him?
We did. Signal's done.
Brief our team. What is it, Tom?
Yeah, I'm sorry. It's just, people wondering.
Andrew Carter's wondering.
Taylor Sanders. Is she still with us? Jane. He's ready to blow.
I'm afraid to tell you that the collection has been taken on loan.
On loan?
La directrice told us this morning. Overnight. Private collector. Substantial. substantial donation.
I'm sorry I can't help. Don't you think it's weird? We come here, ask to see the piece, and then the next day it's over and over.
Yeah, I think it was well.
Shit. It's not a private collector, it's him. We need to find out where he's taking them. Let's go. God, it's a tank. He said you could set out a nuclear war in that thing.
You don't think you should get your godmother to help?
No need.
What do you mean there's no need? Taylor.
Number plate.
What the hell? EC 117 PM.
They're taking them to the UK. Shit, we're gonna have to be on that train.
You're kidding.
We need to steal it.
Steve, what? Taylor, he killed a man with his bare hands. You need to call it in, Taylor. We can't do that by ourselves.
We'll have to go through security, so metal detectors, and he won't be armed.
That makes it incredibly simple then.
He'll be vulnerable. 35 minutes underground, no moving. We just have to get him away from the vehicle.
Taylor, please, why are we not just calling Taylor?
Because we don't have time. Okay? If we wait for the NSA, we're gonna lose our chance. Come on.
What are we doing here, Andrew?
I want you all to myself. So Bogdan, meathead from Novice Sad, that's our third party.
I assume he's just some modest, rung on the ladder.
Well, now it's been spotted in Orleans, so who's he working for, James? Riding in.
I don't know yet, Andrew.
No friend on the sideline are getting concerned. Do you like Paris? I can take it or leave it. City of love. England. You know, my parents honeymooned here. 4 seasons. Avenue Jourse.
Mm.
You know that thing that couples do when you first meet? The little dance they do. A little rituals of courtship. They're pretending to be something they're not. And yet, anyone knows if you want a relationship to last, lies, not the best currency. I think the same goes for colleagues.
Did you rehearse this speech?
All morning. Do you like it? What's going on with Taylor? What you want? You promised me we could trust him. Now we both know that that was a lie.
Okay. I gave her one job. To keep Edward safe. You may not like it, but that's what she's doing. She's protecting him.
Bullshit. Now,
I'm gonna be super clear here, okay? I don't give a single grain of shit about this girl or your personal feelings about her. You were compromised, and she is causing this agency problems, drawing attention to our little secret. Now I get it. You got nothing real in your life outside this job. You've gone all in and you're a god dog. But she's now a ticking time bomb.
She knows.
no.
This is not just us talking.
Axion are breathing down our necks. When you get into bed with private money, that's the whole ballgame.
We have no choice here. Edward Brooks is the most important person on the planet right now.
So clean this mess up, Jane, or we are both on the bonfire.
So we tracked Bogdan Vladich. I bought tickets on the shuttle. He's obviously headed to the UK.
Taylor will be on that train. I want eyes in there now, everything we've got, and I want confirmation the process with her.
Yep. Big Ramos, get me access to the shuttle.
Yo guys, that's it. So I don't wanna post the updates and let you know how the trade ended.
It's fine. Claustrophobia is very common. I mean, what would
That's
happen
it
if
for now.
the train broke down and we were still in the tunnel, or if something?
It's been going up and down. I'm tired of waiting.
There are